Good night. I love you. Guess what? You go to Texas tomorrow. Yeah, you sure do. You go to your new home. All right, I'll see you in the morning.
I love this light, guys. It works really, really good. I can see everything right here, and I've got lights on down the fence also. Let's check out these guys.
Oh, everybody's cuddled up. Aww. What y'all doing, babies? Y'all all snuggled up? Hermione, what are you doing? You just hanging out in the poop box? My goodness. Is it 'cause Jupiter's picking on you? Huh? Are you trying to lay an egg this late? I sure hope not. But it won't be the first time. Yeah. Well, y'all sure do look cute, all snuggles. Yeah. And their ribbons. Y'all see their ribbons, y'all? That is Clyde's ribbons right there. And then you got Dumbledore's ribbons over here. So proud of them. Yep, so proud of them. Alright, y'all. Well, I love you. I see you in the morning, okay? Y'all gotta be all spunky and happy and everything tomorrow. Because guess what? One of y'all's followers is gonna come see y'all. Yeah, they're coming all the way from Texas just to see y'all. And they're gonna take Bandit home with them. Yeah, he's gonna go live in Texas. I know. All right, well, I love y'all. Good night.